x square plus 3 root 3 x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2 root 3 x plus root 3x plus 6 is equal to x into x plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into x plus 2 root 3. Is equal to x plus 2 root 3 into x plus root 3.